How to buy crypto on Metamask with PayPal. As of last update, Metamask does not directly support purchasing cryptocurrencies with your PayPal within the wallet interface. That's why I'm just making this video so everything can be clear out, and I will explain each and everything very easily. First of all, you have to select your cryptocurrency exchange. Make sure you just go with Binance or Coinbase or some of the popular one. Now you have to create an account on those application or website. Once you have done it, here comes the very important part where you have to link your PayPal account. Once your account is set up and verified, navigate to the section for buying cryptocurrencies. Okay, now here I'm going to show you the steps you can see on the screen. Here, first of all, you have to just go to the website of whichever cryptocurrency exchange you are using. Here you have to buy. So select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, it will be Ethereum or Bitcoin or any altcoin, and specify the amount you wish to purchase. Choose the option to buy with your PayPal and proceed with the transaction. When they transfer crypto to MetaMask wallet, how will you do that? After purchasing crypto on the exchange, you will need to transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet and locate your wallet address from respective cryptocurrency you have purchased, right? It could be Ethereum wallet address for ETH. Then initiate a withdrawal or transfer from exchange to your MetaMask wallet using your MetaMask wallet address as the recipient. Here you have to confirm the transaction, review the transaction details including the recipient address, your MetaMask wallet address, and confirm the withdrawal. Everything is done. You have to check it. You have to check it in your MetaMask wallet too. Now following this all these steps, you will be able to buy cryptocurrencies using PayPal on your cryptocurrency exchange and transfer them to your MetaMask wallet. I hope you found this video very useful.